3 to 4 tablespoon oil on medium flame. 1/4 teaspoon mustard seeds, let it splutter. 1/4 teaspoon cumin seed, pinch of asafoetida, 3 curry leaves, mix well. 1 teaspoon green chili and ginger paste. Reduce the flame to low and cook for 5 to 10 seconds. Puree of 1 large tomato. Add salt to taste. Mix well. Now we'll add spices to it. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder, 2 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Mix everything well and cook for 20 to 30 seconds on low flame. Now we'll add 1/4 cup of water gradually into this. Cook until oil separates. In this recipe, we will be adding all boiled vegetables. So for that I have taken 1 medium sized potatoes, 4 small brinjals, handful of field beans which is also known as broad beans, Valpapdi or Valpapdi, and I have pressure cooked it for 2 whistles. Once the oil has separated from the gravy, add all the boiled vegetables, combine very carefully, cook for 2 to 3 minutes on low flame and garnish with fresh coriander. This recipe is really easy and quick to make and it goes very well with chapati or rice or any Indian flatbread. Kindly do give it a try and let us know in the comment section. If you've liked this recipe, then kindly do like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel.